Hi friends, welcome to the prediction series for UPSC 2026 where I discuss important themes which can be asked in UPSC Prelims examination. So guys, today I'm going to take a very important topic of geography based on recent PYQs. So guys, let us see first the news and then we will link to the PYQs and then we are going to discuss in detail the topic which can be asked in next year Prelims examination. So guys, recently Cabinet has approved establishment of International Potato Center, South Asia's regional center in Singana, Agra, Uttar Pradesh. So why is this topic important? Let me explain to you. So recently in 2025 prelims examination, there was a question on which of the following crops were introduced by Portuguese. Okay, you can see here which of the following plants were introduced by Portuguese. So guys, why is potato important? Because potato was also one of the crops which was introduced by Portuguese in India. Potato is not a native to India. Potato is native to Peru and Bolivia, Andes mountain of South America, and it was brought to India by Portuguese. So you can see this theme of crops which were brought by Europeans, whether it is Britishers or Portuguese, is a very important theme. Multiple times UPSC has asked a question on this theme. So guys, potato becomes very important because of two reasons. One is the International Potato Center, regional center, which is being set up in Agra, and also this entire theme of crops introduced in India which are not native to India but were introduced by Europeans, particularly Portuguese, becomes very important. And guys, you can see every year UPSC is asking one question based on crop, exclusively on crops. So potato can be one of that crop which can be asked next year. This is very, very important. So in this lecture we will discuss details about potato. Okay, so what I have done is that this entire information today which was there in the newspaper, I have basically put this into one card. Okay, you can see here guys that potato basically is native to Peru, Bolivia, okay, South America, and it was introduced in India by the Portuguese. Potato is the third most consumed crop after rice and wheat. This is very important. It is one of the most important horticulture crop. And guys, India is the second largest producer of potato after China and India. It is the Uttar Pradesh which is the largest producer of potato. So guys, potato is very important for the food security and poverty alleviation, and therefore guys, this regional center which is going to set up in India can play a very important role in food and nutritional security, increasing farmers' income and job creation. So the mandate of this center is to come out with climate resilient, disease free potatoes, okay, and also for the potato processing. This is a very, very important crop. You can see here these are the top states, okay. And one more thing you need to prepare is that potato is grown throughout India. It is not just one state or two state. Potato is grown throughout India in all agroclimatic regions. This is very, very important. And some of the varieties of potato is Jufri, Jawahar, Kufri, Johar, Kufri, Chandramukhi, Kufri, Satlaj for the western plains, then Kufri Bahar, Kufri Anand, Kufri Ashoka has been recommended for the central plains, and Kufri Pakhraj and Kufri Sinduri and Kufri Ashoka has been recommended for eastern plains. So guys, please do prepare this crop. This crop is very, very important. So guys, every day I am giving you 10 most important question in my Lakshya test series. I hope you are solving it. If you are not solving it, start early, because the more early you start, the better are the chances of you qualifying the prelims examination. Guys, every day I am giving predicted questions only in this 10 most important questions, and these 10 important questions I am framing using the PYQ analysis and linking current affairs like I have shown in this video. So guys, please do consider liking this video and sharing this video with your friends and start solving these questions.